In today's video, affiliate marketing for beginners, I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial, Clickbank affiliate marketing for free. Now, if you want to get results like this, what if you can get these sort of results every day, day in, day out, results like this? Now, if you're a beginner and you're just learning, or you've been struggling not getting the results you want, just really how to get started, where do I start, what strategy do I use? If you're struggling just to make money, well, you're in the right place. Just watch the video till the end. I'm going to give you step by step, so you won't want to miss any of these steps. And then at the end, I'm going to give you access to some bonuses that will just make it so much simpler for you. Now, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos, and let's move on. So what I'm going to cover in today's video is choosing your product, how you get traffic to your offer, and it's all going to be free, and it's all laid out step by step in this tutorial, affiliate marketing for beginners. So let's get right on into it. What we need to do now is go over to our affiliate network and choose a product. Now, at the moment, I'm on Clickbank, and it's the oldest and probably the most trusted affiliate network on the internet. It's been around for 20 years. Now, there are some countries that you can't use Clickbank in. So if you can't use Clickbank, I'll show you several others where you can. So this is another one called Warrior Plus. A lot of internet type products on here. JV Zoo, you can just go and sign up there if you need to or you want to. And this one called Digistore 24, it has a lot of similar products to what Clickbank does, but you can sell from, be an affiliate from anywhere in the world. So if you can't register on Clickbank because you're in one of those precluded countries, come over here to Digi24. It really doesn't matter the platform. We're just looking for a product to promote. I'm going to go back to Clickbank. As you can see now, I've signed up. I've gone to the marketplace. Then in a moment, I'm just going to show you another unique traffic method that not many people use to be able to get traffic. So in a moment, I'm going to cover that, so you'll want to hang around. And as you can see, look, on the left-hand side here, there's literally many categories that you could choose from, and there are thousands of products. Now, I would suggest you stay in 3 categories: health, wealth, and relationships. So health, wealth, and relationships, they're evergreen, which means they sell all year round. They're not seasonal. In this video, we're going to have a look at the health and fitness category, and we're going to choose a product from there to promote. Now, a couple of things with the product that we choose: it needs to have good demand. It needs to be a bit of buzz around it. Those sorts of things. There's no good promoting something that you don't know whether it's going to sell or not. Now I'll show you another website where we can find out in advance whether we think it's going to be worthwhile. So the products that are in close to the top when we've done a search, they're obviously the most popular products. Research 340. We want to look for products that have got a lot of demand, and today we're going to look at Steel Bright Pro, because every time you get a sale, you make $106. So you don't need to make that many sales to make your $500 or your $1,000 a week, and as you get going, that could be $1,000 a day with these sort of products. I'm not promising you that because I can't make those claims, but I'm saying what I know from my experience, it is certainly possible. Okay, so in a moment now, I'm going to show you how you can see and really have a bit of an idea if something's going to be successful. So let's go over here to the website for a start. And what we're going to do then is copy and paste the actual link. So we're just going to copy. Now, I'm about to take you to another website, which is quite powerful. This website is called Similar Web. So all we do now, this is free, all we do now is put the link that we saved before. We click on, so just an update, I had to take the HTTP out and the hop and just put in the steelbrightpro.com. So this website gives you a lot of information about the Steel Bright Pro SteelBite Pro website. The traffic overview, as you can see, the countries that the traffic comes from, 67% from America, and then the rest spread out, 3% Canada, UK, about the same. And it's all good information, but that's not what we're looking for here at the moment. And you can see I've scrolled down to closer to the halfway down the page where it says search. Now look at this, 85% of the traffic is organic. Look at this, the top 5 organic keywords. This is so powerful. This is so powerful. If you have a look at that, 15% use that keyword. This one, I have no idea what that is. Sometimes they throw up some things. Gum disease treatment, receding gum repairs. These are the top ranking keywords. This is one of many affiliates' biggest problems, is finding keywords that are actually producing results. As you can see, SteelBite Pro 15%, and you would be able to use SteelBite Pro affiliate in your marketing as well. So let's move on. And before we move on, I just wanted to show you this other website. It's called Keywordio. And you can see here you can do a search for your keyword for YouTube, Amazon, Bing, all those sorts of traffic. You can filter by the country that you want to search. When you put in your keyword phrase, it will bring up a list of keywords that some of these other websites don't even bring up. So combine together those two, it puts you in a strong position and you're going to stand out amongst other affiliates. And when you do that, you're going to make more money. So don't be getting overwhelmed. In a moment, I'm going to show you, how to get your content for these keywords, how to have your page set up, how to get content, and how to rank. Now, look, not all these tools are foolproof. Some of these products will work and some won't. So my suggestion is you do this once you get it all set up, and then you might do another product from the same category, or you might find another product in a different category, and then you just rinse and repeat. The ones that are working, you keep going with them. The ones that are not working, it's like if you're making sales and it's cost you nothing to set all this up, well, just leave it. Just let it tick over. If you make $100 a month out of it, it's better for you to have $100 a month than not have it. Now, I just thought I'd make it a little easier for you. I've done the research on 5 products, what the product is, the keyword research, the top keywords for that product, and I'm going to give that to you. So you'll want to watch to the end to find out how to get access to that. I couldn't be any fairer than that, could I? There's just 3 requirements to get that. You need to subscribe to the channel, you need to like the video, and you need to comment below that you want the free resources, and then I'll give you access to that. So wait till the end. Now we're going to move on to traffic, and this is pretty straightforward. You will not have seen this method anywhere else, and it's just copy and paste, simple copy and paste, all set out for you. So now getting the content is one thing. And in a moment I'm going to show you where you're going to publish that to maximize the use of it, so that you get traffic, more sales, more money to you. Traffic falls into 2 categories. There's free organic traffic, and then there's the paid traffic. Now, you being new, I don't recommend you go down the paid avenue. Stay with free organic traffic, learn that, and then at some point you may want to use paid traffic. But I can pretty well guarantee people that are new listen to someone that says do paid traffic, and they end up losing a lot of money. The vendor that's got the product doesn't mind that much because they've still got the sale. It's cost them nothing, but it might have cost you 2 or 3 times what your commission would have been for them to get that sale. So let's stay with free organic traffic, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Here is the first method, and we're going to be using Google's own websites. You may not have even heard of this, but they're called Google Sites. I've got several set up here. These are free and they rank really well. Some end up working, and then some are some just dive for one reason or another. They just don't work. So as I said before, so what if you get $100 a month out of it? It's cost you nothing to set it up. just leave it in maintenance mode and collect the commissions as they come in. So as you can see, you just click on the cross there, create a new blank site. And what you're going to do for your content, firstly, pretty straightforward, create a title, and now I'm going to show you how to get your content for that. Before I do that, in the resources section of the affiliate product, there'll be images and banners and things like that. Make use of those images, put them into your post to make it look appealing. A lot of text is not appealing to a lot of people, so use some images, mix it up with text and some buttons. All right, let's move on to the exciting part where I'm going to get my content. Now, medium.com. It's another website where you can go and write like blog articles there, basically. And when you use the keywords as your titles and space throughout your article, you're able to have a link back to your affiliate products. Now, you need to check with each, and I know Medium do allow you to have affiliate links. There are some websites that will not allow you to have direct affiliate links. Just go to a website like Bitly, which is a URL shortener, and it will shorten the link, the big, long, ugly affiliate link, and it'll also mask your affiliate link. When in doubt, just go to Bitly and shorten the URL. The other thing with Medium, it ranks very well in Google. It ranks really well in Google. You put the right search phrase in for your title and keywords, and you have a look. Sometimes when you search on Google, you'll see an article on Medium on the front page. The next one is a website called LiveJournal. So you just go over there, register, create a blog, and then we'll put some content on it. The advantage of all these websites is they are high PR ranking, which is they got a high page ranking if you have a look at, Google's probably up there with one of the most highly ranked, and then you've got pages that are millions and millions down in the rank. But what we look for is, high page rank 3, 4, 5, because, they show up, those articles on those websites show up in Google, and that's how you're going to get your free traffic. And that's what's so great about these, they're all free methods. Look, I just thought if anyone is considering having wanting a website to do a blog, one website that you're going to need hosting. Hosting is just like where your website sits. You can't create a website. You can create a website on your computer, but it doesn't. If you don't put it on the internet, it doesn't do anything. So as a web hosting, you can buy a domain for probably $20. You can get hosting for it says $5. It's about $3 US, as I'm in Australia, a month, and then you could install a WordPress blog. But I'm not going to go into any of that because I don't think it will apply to many people. So now we're going to have a look at where we get our content, and you will not have seen this method before. So we're going to go back to our website, SimilarWeb, with the keywords. And not only these keywords, but the ones we've got from Keywordio, we might have put them into a spreadsheet. So we're going to take them over to, Google Translate. Yeah, Google Translate. So we're just going to type a keyword in here, paste it, and then over here we're going to look for another language that is similar to English. And I know Finnish is similar to English, so we're going to just type in Finnish. Now this is really unique because Google will do the work for you. So now what we do is we take that translation and we go back over to Google and we do a Google search. That's going to bring up a lot of articles that are in Finnish. So let's just click on one. And depending on where you are, that may already come up with it, wanting to translate it for you. All I've done is right-click the mouse, gone down to, there we go, Google Translate, and we're going to translate this article back into English. As you can see, it's translated it back in English. Now, this is unique. I don't know anyone else that's doing this. You can now use this English because it was in Finnish. You've translated it back to English. You can now use this as your content. your own free unique content. And so you can go through where we searched Google with the finished keywords. You can go through here and find article and come up with all this free content. It's not going to cost you a cent. You can do it for multiple niches. So, guys and gals, that is the affiliate marketing for beginners step-by-step tutorial. Clickbank affiliate marketing for free. That's how we've covered how you find a product, whether that be on Clickbank or one of the other affiliate platforms, how to get traffic, how to get content, and then you just keep replicating this with different products or more articles for the same product, and sit back and bank your commissions. Now, as I said before, if you wait till the end, I was going to show you tell you how you get access to those bonuses. So what you need to do is comment, I want the bonuses, then like and subscribe to the channel. And as I say, if you're new, subscribe anyway, hit the bell icon, and you'll get notified of future videos. I bring videos out fairly well every day on affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and feel free to share these. I love to teach, and I love to help people get started. Have a fantastic day.